how to stop Instagram story sharing to Facebook. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile picture available in the bottom right corner of your screen to navigate to your profile. Now, once you're on your profile, tap on the 3 dashboard option available in the top right corner. Then scroll down and look for the sharing and remixes option available there and tap on it. Once you tap on the sharing and remixes, scroll down and you'll get to see all apps option available there. Tap on it again. Once you tap on it, tap on the Facebook option available there. Then tap on the reset settings, and there you'll get to see automatically share option available there, and your Instagram story option is toggled on. Then toggle that off. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.